Now that our sweet pierogi are cooked, it's time to serve them. There are a few classic ways to do this, depending on how simple or how indulgent you want to go. Let's get started.
The simplest option is to serve the pierogi straight from the pot. They are tender, lightly sweet, and perfectly good on their own. A very easy step up from this is a light dusting of powdered sugar on top. It adds a bit of sweetness without changing the texture. If you want something richer, melted butter and powdered sugar is a classic combination. The sugar is optional here. Even just butter on its own works nicely. Another popular option is sour cream. It adds a bit of brightness and tang, which balances sweet feelings especially well. If you haven't tried sweet pierogi with sour cream before, it's definitely worth it. Pan frying is also an option if you want the pierogi crisp on the outside. Just like with savory pierogi, you can fry them in a bit of butter or oil until golden on both sides. Once pan-fried, you can top the pierogi any way you like, including the options we just covered. Your sweet pierogi are ready to serve. Enjoy!